and I've been using WordPress for over 6 years and teaching it successfully for over 4. Today I'm going to show you how to create a $1,000 website step by step using WordPress. WordPress is the same platform used by the New York Times, CNN, Forbes. We also have eBay and Sony, Jay-Z and Katy Perry, just to name a few. WordPress is also responsible for 18% of all websites and blogs online today, so you know the website we're going to build together will be professional. This website's also going to be 100% mobile friendly, so it won't matter what device it's being viewed on, your website will always look amazing. Rather than just talking about it, I'm going to show you. So this is the exact website we're going to be building today, step by step. And if we just scroll down, we'll see that this is an amazing website and we have these beautiful animations. I'm going to show you how to change all of the text and images you see here. I'm also going to show you how to add a blog as well. Then this contact form, so your visitors can get in contact. And then underneath in the footer, we can have our address, our email address, our phone number, and links to our various social channels. Our email address and phone number will be clickable links, so people on mobile phones and tablets can click on our email address or our phone number and get in contact right away. I'm also going to show you how to add your own logo, and this menu that remains at the top when people are scrolling through your website. I'm going to show you how to add different pages as well, which are going to have images and text. I'll also show you how to change the sidebar so we can add menus and text. We can also add images as well. Then if we click here where it says our blog, this is our actual blog page with our featured images and a little bit of text about our post. Then when we click into our blog post, I'll show you how to add text and images, different heading sizes, and also a comments box underneath so your visitors can leave a comment. This website is also 100% mobile friendly, so if I just make my screen a little bit smaller, you'll see that the website rearranges in a way that it still looks great. So this is what it would look like to someone on a tablet, and then if we make it a little bit smaller, this is what it would look like to someone on a mobile phone. As you can see, no matter what device this website's being viewed on, it still looks amazing. We're also going to have these clickable buttons on our home page that link to our different pages. And I'm going to show you how to create this website yourself for under $13, step by step, now.